A splinter, not a spotlight, breaks the darkness. In a dim farmhouse attic, during the Lindbergh kidnapping investigation, an investigator presses a handmade ladder rung against a scarred joist. Dust motes dance in the cold air. And then, a perfect fit. A crude splice in the wood matches a missing attic board, tracing the ghost of a suspect's hands and tools. This is the secret history of justice, written not in headlines but in the margins. A sun-faded parking ticket, tucked under a wiper 2 blocks from a shooting, tethered a car to a time and place, leading detectives directly to the son of Sam. Far northwest, clothing that looked clean hid microscopic spheres of industrial paint, a unique chemical signature traceable to just a few factories, and the world of the Green River Killer. Years later, a taunting killer sent a file to a church office. A technician opened its properties, and in the metadata, 2 words appeared: the name Dennis and the church itself, the digital whisper that finally identified Dennis Rader. Even a ransom note's odd phrasing can betray a writer's education, while timestamps tell the truth when people will not. The loudest story always grabs us, yet the smallest truths are what decide a case. We are pulled toward fireworks, anchoring to the first suspect, confirming what we expect. The media turns rough, ambiguous facts into one clear storyline because clarity sells. But while the world chases a showy theory, the unglamorous lead sits waiting. Quiet evidence. Yet these details resurface when patience and pattern meet. Today, linguistic analysis detects the cadence in anonymous letters. Trace evidence comparison weighs 1 grain of sand against another. And digital forensics parses the invisible timestamps beneath a photograph. This slow, methodical work is what connects one phrase in a ransom note to a workplace memo, or pulls a forgotten fiber into focus.
In 1982, after the Tylenol poisonings, an overlooked flaw in the supply chain led to tamper-evident packaging, a small change that redefined public safety. It mandated chain of custody protocols that record every touch, every transfer, every smudge. In a world of fleeting headlines and swelling caseloads, these tools matter more than ever. They force us to look closer, to honor the smallest clue. Now we follow a faint pattern that will rewrite an alibi, 1 syllable at a time.